Troops, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever Company merge, surf, liquid detergent. Sa liquid detergent, available po yung Ultra Penetration Surf Concentrated Liquid Detergent, Blossom Fresh, 1 liter. Unilever po yan. Available din po yung new 2 times Ultra Penetration Surf Concentrated Liquid Detergent, Cherry Blossom, 1 liter. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Surf Ultra Power Liquid Rose Fresh, up to 2 times better penetration with powder. Unilever po yan. Available po sa 900 ml. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam nyo kung ano ng mga iba't ibang uri ng Unilever Company version. Surf liquid detergent, isa lang po yun sa Unilever Company merge sa hindi pa nakakaalam. Next, meron na tayong Surf Concentrated Liquid Detergent, Cherry Blossom, up to 2 times of the penetration. I use 1 in 1 cups for 15 to 20 pieces of clothes for hand wash. Available po siya for 1 liter. Unilever po yan. Next, sa sachet, meron din tayong Surf Ultra Power Liquid Cherry Blossom. Available po siya sa sa 64 ml. Unilever po yan. Ultra. Next, meron din tayong Surf Ultra Power Liquid Rose Fresh. 64 ml. Unilever po yan.
Mayong adlaw mga ka-royalties.
Surf Ultra Power Liquid Rose Fresh.
50% discount on your membership renewal. 25 pesos na lang inibayaran na renewal fee. Sa lupang minaulat yung mga suki. Hindi na magpaulit.
Available for 64 ml. Unilever po yan.
Pesos na. Promo is applicable to members within 3 months to 1 day earlier before the expiration date of membership. Thank you and happy shopping! Ngayong adlaw, mga kasalanan sa Munghay, ang Prince Hypermart Distansya nagpapatuman
That's it for today's Unilever Company merge. Surf Power Liquid Detergent. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never drop. God bless us all, always. Thank you for watching.
Hypermart Distansya nagpapatuman ng no plastic day kada Sabado nga adlaw para hindi makabulig sa atong palibot na